Today we'll talk about how can you find transfer history on your Octa app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here. Sorry, you go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, so you keep going down here, then you come here to transfer history here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you will find our uh, transfer history you have. I have here no transaction yet, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list on your Okta app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.